Is your taskbar notifications not showing in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as we have the solutions for you to fix this issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If taskbar notifications are not showing in Windows 11 or 10, then this video will help you fix the problem. Many users face the problem of the badge icon for Microsoft Store apps in the taskbar not working. So, when there is some new update or message, there is no notification or unread message count for any pinned or unpinned app in the taskbar. Users have to manually check for updates by accessing the app. If you are also facing the same issue, then this video should help you with some simple fixes. Let's get started. Method 1. Enable Show Badges on Taskbar Buttons option. To show badges on taskbar apps using Windows 11 settings, press Win+I hotkey or use the Start menu to open the Settings app. Access the Personalization category. Click on the taskbar page available on the right section. Scroll down the page. Expand the taskbar behavior section. Check the Show Badges on Taskbar Apps option. Once it is done, the taskbar should start showing notifications for apps for new messages or updates. Method 2. Enable Get Notifications from Apps option. To enable Get Notifications from Apps option in Windows 11, open the Settings app. Under the System category, click on the Notifications menu. Turn on the Notifications button available for the Get Notifications from Apps and other senders. Use the Turn On button for apps for which you want to receive notifications. Method 3. Let apps run in the background. Open Settings, access Apps category. Click on Installed Apps. Scroll down to App List. Click on the 3 vertical dots icon for an app that you want to let run in the background. Click on the Advanced options. Scroll down to access the Background Apps Permissions section. Click on the drop-down menu of Let this app run in background and select the Always option. In the same way, you need to repeat the above steps for all those apps that you want to run in the background. Method 4. Using Registry Editor. Before tweaking, you should take a backup of Registry following this link. Open Registry Editor following this link. Navigate to hkey_current_user/software/Microsoft/Windows/current version/Explorer/advanced. Under that key, create a new dword value and set its name to taskbar badges. If this value is already present, then no need to create it. Double-click on taskbar badges value and a box will open. There, add 1 in its value data field and save it. Now you might need to restart the PC to successfully apply the changes. You can follow this guide for details. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.